Yo, this is day 7, and I have to get real with you real quick. I have to take a break, and here's why. If you're just joining in, I'm basically building a multiplayer soccer game with AI, and I basically have had Opus write the specs, GPT-2 and all these different models, especially inside of Cursor, Droid, and all these agents, make a 5v5, 10 players playable all at the same time, and I need to get this done by Christmas. And the game is actually live right now if you want to check it out on YeeBall.com. So I just bought this domain and you can play with it right now. So if you just go ahead and check out this link right here, it's currently in the live stream and also in the description. So it's called YeeBall. I just kind of came up with the name just right now before the stream. And I thought it'd be kind of cool to see the game's currently live right now. And we've actually developed our first character. So in here, you can actually go ahead and get ready and start the match. And when you get ready here, the first character is going to load up. And I just kind of want to do a quick demo of kind of where we're at so far. Basically, we have the player here with the sprites, and you can kind of see him moving up and down. He has his jersey number in the back. So this is kind of wild that we've been able to literally vibe code this whole game just by scratch. This is all running, using Rust modules on the back end, SpaceTimeDB for the database. And then we have Next.js for the front end, pretty much doing this app. And this is kind of what we've been able to build live. So it has a whole match system. There's other matches that are played. Here's someone else who's currently playing a game right now. I'm basically joining in on this game here. And then if I go back, looks like someone else is trying to do another game here as well. I don't know if there's different stuff or public matches. So I can create another match and go here and then leave these types of things here. So that's what's up. So yeah, this is kind of what's going on so far. And I really just kind of want to get serious with you because I'm taking a break, and kind of why I'm taking a break is the last few days were super intense. I basically had 6 hours of streaming on day 4, and we knocked out a ton of features. And then for 5 hours on day 5, and another hour and a half on day 6. And so life is actually caught up. Got some family stuff and got some other obligations that were going on today. And, we're getting close to Christmas and the holidays, and that's just kind of what happens. And to me, I feel like, hey, I just wanted to go on and be real with you as far as what happens versus just not showing up. I do have the game that's up, and you can kind of go ahead and play. And I really appreciate everyone who's just been on this journey right now to help support as well. It's just the reality of just building a public, and not every day is just going to be mega productive as much as I'd like it to be. And I'm not going to pretend like I grinded through the whole night when I really didn't. And that's just not really how it works, which is also kind of why I love to live stream. So this is a really short live stream, and just talking through the challenges and maybe kind of show where the game is at, like I was just showing up there. And there's the one thing, right? I bought the domain today. So that's, if there's anything that I did, we got YeeBall, YeeBall.com. And so the game actually has a name now. It's called YeeBall.com. And so as much as I would love to just vibe code and just change the name here, because we had the new domain name, I already have it linked with Vercel. That's kind of that there. I just want to give a quick heads up on PixelLab. That's what we're going to be doing for the next stream tomorrow, and to go from one character to a whole bunch of other characters. So with this thing, this is what we use. We use the MCP inside of Cursor, and this is what helped us generate our first character. We have all that stuff defined. So we're gonna be doing that kind of next in the next one as well, in our next live stream basically tomorrow. So yeah, day 8 is basically going to be all about the character sprites and kind of making this game feel real, and the cat mechanics kind of feel real. So now, as of now, the multiplayer works. We basically have the backend set up. It's streaming in real time. So it's kind of a miracle that we have all that stuff working super quickly, Rust on the back end. And so all these players can join at the same time, and you're seeing your screen update and the ball is moving. So it just needs to look something that you'd actually want to play now. So with 8 days left, we're still on track. And I just kind of low-key need a little breather. So my name is Satish from India. How's it going? Yo, what's up, man? Hey, man, do you guys want to quickly play? I just kind of want to show people how we're doing live. So I just bought the domain YeeBall.com. And so we're going to go ahead and see if we can actually play the game a little bit. So let's go ahead and see if I can kind of get that going. So let me go to YeeBall.com, and it's going to still say kickoff chaos. So I'm going to go ahead and create a match. So if you want to join the match, you can just go ahead and join here. And the match is going to be over here. So it's YeeBall.com/joinb, whatever this thing is. And I'm on the phone. Yeah, so I'm going to have some of the phone stuff updated. And we're going to have that going on here. So I think that this is kind of where I was going. Can we make a game and upload to the marketplace? I don't have a marketplace. This is just literally an app that I've vibe coded. I'm a little confused. Hey, how's it going, Giuseppe? Thanks for joining in. So yeah, I'm kind of going to be taking a break, but before we do that, let's go ahead and see if we can play a game because I'm kind of proud at this moment and I actually have to get back to my other type of work. It's currently like 11:20 right now, and my editors have a bunch of stuff that I need to turn around for them. And I actually have other work that I got to catch up with too. And so I'm super behind, and that's kind of is what it is. So cool. Yeah. So I'm talking about NFTs. I'm actually not going to do NFTs, and it's such a highly unregulated space, and I hate for people to lose money because a lot of times they go in with good intentions, but sometimes it never ends up the way it is. So to me, it's just really easy to keep everything kind of regulated and just follow the existing paradigms for gaming, which is already set up for commerce and those types of marketplaces that are pretty well established. So that's kind of where I'm going with this. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and see, now that we have players, you can change your name by just going to this little pencil up here and then just go ahead and type in your name. And if you haven't had a chance to join that, let's go ahead and you can hit ready up here. So once you hit ready up, you're ready to go, and I'm going to start the match. So we should see the little countdown now. Cool. Awesome. Yeah. So now I got the ball here. And so you should be able to move around. Anyone who's currently playing around, this player number 5 here, I think you're here. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So now, yeah. Wow. So, oh my gosh, there's a little bit of lag. Okay. This is cool. Let's see. Ah, my player has like the ultimate. Oh, dang. Let's see. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. This is awesome. Yeah, go. Get the ball. Go this way. We got to score, man. And then hit space bar to score. Yeah. All you have to do is hit space. Oh. Let's go. Okay. Yay. Yo. Yeah. Space. Yeah. Cool. Awesome. Oof. Boom. Oh, dang. Yes. Oh, no. It's the worst. Hit space. Oh. Yeah, so I don't know how many players are connected right now, but basically, like, let me leave the match. I could show you. We have 3 players currently connected. We have 7 slots available. So if you want to join the game, just go ahead and join in like this. I'm going to put the actual link right now so you can actually join live. So it's YeeBall.com, and if you actually just click the link there on the live stream link, you basically should be able to just join in right in with us and start playing, and it should allow you to select like what player you want to select. So for example, like if I copy this and I open up an incognito window, and this is what it looks like in incognito. So for you to join, you'll see what side you want to join in. So I could join the blue team on this side now, and then I'm going to join here and just start to nerf the game and make it like, you know what I mean? So, boom. Yes. So there's Fernando. He's not even moving. Okay. So now we have like halftime and stuff like that. So you can kind of see like, this is Fernando over here. If I click this guy, I can control Ray. And then if I click, is it the other window? Where'd it go? In my blue player over here, I have this guy. So there I am. And then I just stole the ball from Ray. So I'm basically playing with both. And if I just drop out, I just drop out. Cool. Yo. Oh. Boom. Yeah. I probably have to put some code in for a player being inactive. Like if I drop out, because like if I leave the match, then it does that. So yeah. Oh, I just joined to be a different one. Yeah. Boom. I think it already handles it, huh? Yeah. Oh, I'm in the game too. Which one are you? Oh, are you player? Okay, you're the player guy, huh? This is crazy. So yeah, go. Hit spacebar. If you hit spacebar, it should allow you to like score. Yeah. I'm you now. Yeah, so the Droid promo is expired. So there's not a new one coming yet, man. I'm just like, it kind of sucks because like we did the sponsorship like a couple months ago and they like literally, I asked them to see if we can extend it for like another month or something like that. So they're super cool about that. And that was pretty much how we were able to get a couple months out of that promo. So there's a lot of people who use that code, but unfortunately people are just finding out about Droid now. So it's like kind of sucks because it was a really amazing deal. It still is an amazing deal. It's an amazing platform, but yeah, no more promo code. Dude, we're crushing it, bro. I'm gonna have to join the other team right now. I'm gonna join the other team. I'm gonna join Team Blue. I'm gonna be this guy. Bro, I can't let you go like this, bro. 8 seconds left. Let's go. Wait, bro. I got it. Oh, bro, that was a good intercept. All right, cool. So yeah, you guys can basically make your own matches and it will show up. It's like if somebody creates a match, I can join in on their game, which is cool. Yeah, G-Unit Flash. Use Droid with core proxy. Yes, that's a really good one. Late night YeeBall. Yeah, so I call it YeeBall. I'm extremely tempted to change this stuff right now. Actually, let me just do that right now. I'm just going to open up a new cursor window and just like knock it out real quick. So let me do that right now. Is it new chat over here? Okay. So let's just see if we can use the new Gemini Flash because we're going G-Unit on this, right? So we're going to use Gemini Flash and say, I just rebranded the game to YeeBall. And so can you update the UI to show that? Let's see, YeeBall. Okay. And okay, YeeBall. Okay, cool. Should I do one word or two words? I think I should just maybe I'll do YeeBall like that. Yeah, YeeBall. Okay, cool. So let me go this way. Okay. So we're trying the new Gemini 3 Flash. And to make this game, I started out, I think it was $20. So it's cost us like $80 so far in development in Cursor to get like this far. So hopefully Gemini 3, Flash should kind of speed some of these things up as well. I think you can implement a stash. Yes, I actually already have the code for it inside. I just got to now map it to a UI and then like make an interface for it. But that's a secondary priority. First priority is going to be sprites, which is going to be tomorrow. Flash has been great. Close to performance at GP3. Wow. Dude, that's crazy, man. That's insane. Core proxy is something that's actually in my Discord. If you're in the Discord, I think you are, Sterling. If not, hit me up. I'll get you in. It's my buddy Coriolis, and he's pretty much kind of knocked it out of the park with that. I don't know what's going on. Let me just install the update. Let me just install now because like Cursor literally just updated their app while we're live. And so, yeah, I should be getting off stream pretty soon, but I just want to make sure we can kind of do something and push this live. Because yeah, I don't really have a lot of time today, but it's okay. We're gonna make this happen because y'all are special. So here we are. We got the latest update from Cursor 2.2.36. There you go. Okay, so it's planning the next moves. Is your Gemini Flash this slow right now in Cursor? Is it just me? Yeah. Low key, it seems really slow. Interesting. Planning next moves. I think there is an issue right now. Let me just stop. And then let me just try like Composer 1. Go. This should be super fast. I think the agent low-key died. Cancel. Let me let me just close the chat and open a new one. And just put Gemini 3. Gemini 3 Flash. Okay. So let's just make this go to work. Is it not working for me? Is it working for y'all? I don't think it's working for me. Planning next moves. Oh, this is painful to watch right now. I don't want to. I just want this to work. A bit too late. But do you have? Do you think Rust is a general better for games in other languages, or why did you choose Rust? The module was written in Rust for the database. So for Rust, like in essence, I think it's, I mean, I don't actually know too much about the runtime and how that will, like, the reasonings for selecting that. It's more that, like, because I was working with, I wanted to, like, to have a real-time database, and I wanted to have all this, like, real-time sync stuff, especially with all the balls and characters and all the different things. The modules that they selected or they suggested were to do it in Rust as opposed to like TypeScript. And so I just thought, oh, that would be a really cool time to actually learn Rust and learn how that works. So that's kind of more the reason behind it. And so, yeah, to be determined, but that'd be really cool. Co-vibe coding time. One thing about Flash, I noticed that for me, it's just kind of all over the place, mostly understanding what I'm asking for. Okay, interesting. Mine's is kind of a simple task. Oh, I want to teach you guys a trick that I just learned from the Cursor team because I was talking to them about plan mode. And so check this out. If you go into like a plan mode here, like into the plan, if you go to the very bottom, this is a pro tip. See how there's just these to-do lists left? You can select the to-do and you can go say build in a new agent. So this will put the to-do into a new agent. You know, when I normally hit build up here, that'll just build it in the same chat window. And like, you know, if you have a context history like I have right here of, you know, already almost using 50%, what I'm supposed to do is actually select these ones like 1, 2, 3, and then say, okay, inline this. Okay. So if I select 3 of them, I say build a new agent, it's going to put those 3 into a new chat and build with a new agent in there. So that way you can have like multiple chats kick off at the same time. So I can say this one, build new agent. And then once that's like kicked off, I can say this one, build new agent. So I can have 3 chats going all in parallel. And you see how it says chat 1, chat 1, chat 1. So each of these to-dos can be separately. So you can select which specific tasks in your plan that you want to have build per chat. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So you're like this one, this one, and this one could be chat 1. And then that's kind of what you can do here, which is like mind blowing. And so that it actually references all of the agents, like all of the chats that you kicked off for this plan are actually going to be referenced here at the bottom. And I was like, now you tell me this? Now you tell me that like, this is how it works. It wasn't intuitive, but it's like, it's been there the whole time. It's kind of like an Easter egg. So if you now see this and you're using Cursor, that's how you can get the most out of plan mode. I thought that was like the best, like, unlock that I just learned in the last like couple of hours. I was like, so yeah, plan mode, go to the bottom, select them, hit, it like I've never seen this UI before. So Cursor agents reviewing changes. Okay. Oh, okay. So I also had a setting set up. So as soon as what had happened here, YeeBall. Okay. So it turned it into a plan mode. Dang it. So I did this. I just said, I just rebranded. Let's just see what happened. Gemini Flash went to work. What's our context window here? 1 million tokens? Bro. Gemini 3? Flash? 1 million token context window in Cursor? And it's cheaper? Bruh. Yo, this is crazy. It's actually fairly fast. Oh, so it's rebranding everything. It's going through. It went to work. Dang. And even wow. It even checked in my code? No way, bro. Oh, no. It did status get diff. Okay, so it got my recent diffs. I have everything successfully rebranded to kick off chaos already to YeeBall. So the UI branding updated the browser's layout tab, technical identifiers, renamed SpaceTimeDB module to YeeBall in SpaceTime. Bro, it went too far, bro. Updated the package JSON, even the cargo. Damn. I just wanted to do a couple of files. I didn't want to do like everything. Oh my gosh. So now the deploy to Vercel, I have a whole plan now. So I can just update. So kick off chaos. So what's the command to publish to? Do I need to republish the module for SpaceTimeDB? I don't even know. Damn. Because look at all the stuff that we did. Like even the scripts, what do they scripts say? Maintenance. Deploy module name YeeBall. Oh, it is called YeeBall now. Okay. Okay. Damn. Okay. Wow. Yeah, everything just changed. Damn, Gemini went to work. Bro, I blew through my ultra. Yeah, bro. I think Gemini 3 just landed right before Christmas. They knew, bro. Like it's a good present. Wait, tell me more. Do you have Claude launch in a shell with Gemini CLI? Oh no, I think there's a conversation. Opus has turned me into lazy. Yes. It understands what I'm asking for. Flash needs way more specific. Yeah, that makes sense actually. Yeah. Bro. Okay, what's happening now? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so this is probably not what I shouldn't be getting into right now. I should have just left this live stream. I just said I'm done. I'm done for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, you must publish the module because the name is changed. So in the client-side code, SpaceTimeDB is now changed to YeeBall. So run bub dev publish, and then okay, so all of these. So then it's going to be like, oh, spacetime publish YeeBall clear database. Okay, all right. So import kickoff chaos from your. Okay, it's doing literally everything. Dang, did it change the name of my repo? Oh my gosh! It already committed the code. You got to be careful. See, it added the code. Oh my god! So technical renamed to spacetime. It already did everything. Rename the architecture docs. So next steps is just bun dev republish, dev publish. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what do I have to do? Bun dev publish. I think it's just called YeeBall. Clear database. Yes. Yes. Okay. So there we go. And so I just republished there, and then everything should already be pushed up to Vercel. What do we have any issues here? Package JSON was changed from the bun lock file, still contains the kickoff chaos. Okay, so let me fix this in chat. I love this. I have agent review in my settings, kick off after every commit. So this will run locally, and it caught something like this. It's like, hey, you know, this is what finished. So yeah, keep all. I'm going to just keep all the changes, I guess, because everything's already happened super fast. Dang, that's insane. So yeah, keep. Okay. And then what else? Package name for, yeah, I think that's the only issue we have so far. Verify the issue exists. Okay, so the bun lock. So I should probably just remove the bun lock and then rebuild it. But I think that's probably what it's going to do next. What says deploy to Vercel? I think we already did. Let's just double check our deployment, and then it should already have everything. So YeeBall, if I refresh, no? Okay, let's see. Kickoff chaos overview. Deployments. 15 hours ago. Let me refresh. Let's see, deploy. Let me just stage these changes, I guess. Okay, bun lock. Updated the bun lock as well. Okay. And let me just commit these changes and then sync. So now we should be able to push all of our changes up. Bun install. Okay. Cool. Planning next moves. Okay. So everything should be changed very shortly. The build should be kicking off right now. And this will be done probably in 10 seconds. And then we'll have the new names and everything up. Okay, bun lock. Let's see, your branch is up to date. Optional. Okay. Let's see. It should be up and ready. Okay, so now if we go to YeeBall, kickoff chaos. So now it says YeeBall. Okay, cool. So we have the actual name even up here for this type of thing, and then multiplayer arcade player soccer match. So allow me join, and then now match lobby. And if I go ahead and just ready myself up, So if I go to copy link and put this here in the actual here, I think we're ready to play. Yeah. And if I just hit start match, we should start our match. Cool. Yee. Looks like it works. Sweet. Let's go. Let's go. I love how people just join in on the game. That's so fun. Let me just get rid of this. Oh my god, no. I got to join in on the side. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Yo. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Damn. Let's go. All right, cool. Dude, we're crushing it. Oh. Oh, no. Got nerfed. Okay. Steph Curry this. Oh, my bad. I'm going to come back. Let's go. Hold up. Yes. That was a good one. Oh. You got it. You got it. Pass it. Oh. Got to play defense. Oh. Nope. Ah, I got you. Go, go, go. Pass me the ball. Let's go. Yes. We're totally schooling them. Let's go. Ooh, boom. Bro, this is so much fun. Go. Oh, my bad. No. Oh, snap. Oh my god. Oh no. Let's see. Should add. Oh yeah. Yeah, actually, I think I might do that. Like the goal, like flying across, like as an animation thing. That'd be so fire. Yo, yeah. Yo, what's going on, man? You got to join in on the game. See, if you haven't had a chance to join, this is game 00H. You can kind of see it up here. Yeah, has gotten better. Yeah, has it gotten better? Kind of low key. I just need to update the sprites. So like today, basically was just a rest day because I just had a bunch of family stuff and I still have a bunch of work I need to turn around. So a bunch of stuff is due basically tonight. I know it's already like midnight and stuff, but like I'm not going to go to sleep till I get it done. So I might not be done till like 3 a.m. in the morning or 4 a.m. So my sleep is going to be jacked. And I'm supposed to go to a Convex event tomorrow. So Convex is hosting a party at 5:30 p.m. And if I'm asleep by then, I might not be able to make it. So we'll see. Sorry to the Convex folks. I know they invited me to like a fancy holiday party, but I got to get work done. Families in town and stuff has been kind of crazy. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, okay. Whoa. Yes. Oh, that handoff. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, what? How did you nerf? No. Oh, man. Let's go. Let's go. My guy. Oh. This is crazy. I can't, first of all, like, I don't see any lag on my side. Like, the fact that we got like 4 players in the game right now is like kind of insane. Like there's no lag. And we vibe coded this whole game. Like we like vibe coded. I don't know Rust at all. And somehow we figured this out. When I say we, I mean Opus figured it out. Kind of insane actually. Let's see. Let's go. Okay. That was crazy. Dang, that's awesome. So yeah, YeeBall. YeeBall.com. If you just check out YeeBall.com, that's what it says. I was wondering, you might not stream today, but here we are. And it's almost 3 a.m. here. Damn. Welcome to Sleepless Nights. Yeah. Now you need custom image maps. Yeah, that's coming actually. I have an MCP for that I have to take care of. So it's called PixelLab. So PixelLab is going to be the one that's going to get us like the whole like we use an MCP to generate that first character. That's why that character exists. And then we're gonna like I wanted to test the character. So the character has some animation issues. So when I move it to one direction, he looks like he's running. He's only running facing you. So if he doesn't turn around, like you don't see his jersey and running that way. So I need to make sprites for that too. Once I kind of nail down one character, then I can hand off the requests for the rest of them to be done. So that would be really cool. Yeah, that was really fun, wasn't it? Hey, Tim, how's it going? Long time no see as well. Approximately how long did it take you for you to vibe code this mini game? Well, it took like a day and a half of planning and then like one full day of like vibe coding 6 hours to get the entire like backend set up. So that backend was connected using WebSockets that connect to my front end. So that way all the players can join. And then that was like all part of the real-time stuff. So then all the ball movements and everything. And then we had someone hack the game. And then I just kind of enforced everything on the server side. And so, yeah, I don't know anything about game development, and we kind of low-key figured this whole thing out. So that's what it is. So yeah, I think I should probably head on out because I don't want the stream to go any longer. But for those who are just joining in and kind of wondering what's going on, I just acquired the domain YeeBall, YeeBall. So yeeball.com, go check it out. You can go ahead and like create some matches and go ahead and invite some other friends to play. It's currently up right now, and I'm paying out of pocket. So like, don't do silly stuff, because I'm hosting a server and it's like costing money to do all this real-time stuff. And I'm still trying to optimize it. So like any errors I see on the server logs when I wake up in the morning, I just try to optimize them. But like, this is kind of where we're at. The second part of it is like, we still have, I don't know how many days left till Christmas. So 17, 18, 19, 20. So whoa, okay, we have 8 more days until Christmas. And so I'm trying to get this whole thing done before Christmas. On Christmas Day, we're going to have like a full-on live stream. I want to like live stream 24 hours and then have like a bot play by itself. So you can scan to go into the game just like you're doing now. So you can join at any time. But then you can also like, I want to see if I can set up tournaments and everything. But before we get there, I want to have the full-blown field set up, different fields, different scenarios, like tournament modes. I also want to have explosions. So like people can pay money for packs to like destroy players, or like, you can have like a little thing that goes on the field and just starts to like cause havoc, or quicksand. So you can like select areas you want to put quicksand and just kind of like rig the game. And then you can do kind of like mini betting in the game if you wanted to, like bet what team would win. But then you can also influence the game results by you participating, not as a player, but more as a person who's going to like mess around with the environment in the field. So that's all possible with all of this stuff that we have set up. So those modules were written in Rust, and everything's going to be real time, which is crazy. So we should be able to have like 10 players playing simultaneously, plus like thousands of spectators watching live. And then like if they buy packs and put them in the game, all those 1,000 people should be able to see them live and those positions update in the field. So it will update for everyone live at the same time, which is kind of bonkers that we're going to vibe code a game literally right before Christmas into Christmas. So it's all possible because we can actually prompt. And so that's kind of how far we got. So it really only took like a full on, like maybe, I don't know, 10 hours to get this like up and running. And just through yaps. So yeah, I've shared the whole process live, and I actually have a playlist too. So there's a playlist in the description on YouTube. You can just go and check it out, and you can kind of start following this progress. Most of the time was spent planning, and the rest of the time now is just execution. And so we're just now following the rest of the plan and filling out the rest of the details as we go. So yeah, but I need to take a break because family is in town, and I went out to dinner and just got back. And it's pretty late, and then I still have a bunch of work to get done. So I'll be doing my own personal work for other things I need to take care of and stuff like that. So yeah, Kickoff is a nice name though. So I was thinking about this too, and Kickoff is like, I might get back to it, but I was thinking about it like from a worldwide perspective, because in North America, people aren't really too familiar with like soccer, like they just know about it, but it's not as popular. And, but yeah, I don't know. Would love any ideas. You should ditch Vercel and go with Coolify or Hetzner. I have Vercel for most of my infrastructure, and like to get a site set up, it takes me like 30 seconds. And I already use like a lot of the observability stuff, the firewall stuff, like everything that's baked in. I actually switched from Cloudflare over to Vercel, mostly because of all the infra for like multiple branches. And I actually have a video. It's like the, my 2026 coding stack. And I actually kind of explain a little bit more about why. So yeah. Have you tried context synthesis? No, I have not. Yeah. 99 man. Yeah. Nice to catch everyone. It's been really cool. So no, I appreciate everyone who's kind of been showing up right now because we got the game, YeeBall.com. That's really cool. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to work on sprites. We're going to get the game field set up. We're going to just like prompt our way in and the game should start feeling a little more like fun. But if you want to go ahead and start kicking off some games, go ahead and start kicking off some matches on YeeBall, invite your friends, and more soon. Peace out, y'all.